This time, we want to invite you to explore the beauty view of Sentagung Waterfall. Landak district has so many waterfall tours that can be visited only, in our opinion, which are easy to reach and the terrain is not too extreme yet at a waterfall that this one. This tour is in the Ngabang area, Landak district, about approximately 4 hours from Pontianak city. To arrive at Sentagung Waterfall, you have to enter the forest like this, and the road isn't paved but it's accessible by car. The cost of the entrance ticket here is only 10,000 per person. With the price of an entrance ticket of only 10,000 per person, we can already enjoy the beautiful charm of the Sentagung Waterfall.
So, actually, some say the name of this waterfall is Sentagung Waterfall. But others also say Sentagung Waterfall. And then, apart from the naming that has not been patented, this waterfall is really beautiful. The height of this waterfall is 16 meters with clear water that flows indirectly to the ground, but fell on a rock. The scenery around the waterfall is still beautiful natural forest. The waterfall is clear and it's really cold here.
Ya Kak. Boleh.
Kan kayak kita dari saya asalnya dari Landa, kemudian di sini kalau mau tahu terkenal apa?
Kalau nama saya sendiri itu asalnya dari Pontianak. Dari Pontianak.
Kalau boleh tahu apa yang buat abang terjun ke air terjun ke
Hiburan ya. Kan saya kan suka dengan alam gitu kan. Kebetulan kawan saya rekomendasikan ke sini, jadi sini ya saya. Apa dengan badannya?
terima kasih ya Kang atas waktunya.
Ya.
Carry on! For you travel lovers, don't forget to invite your friends, relatives, or family here.